Debank Charts is a powerful tool used for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrency and DeFi portfolio performance. To understand Debank Charts, let's break it down into key components. First, Debank is a comprehensive platform that provides users with a unified view of their cryptocurrency and DeFi assets across multiple wallets and protocols. It supports a wide range of wallets, exchanges, and DeFi protocols, making it a one-stop solution for managing and tracking digital assets. The charts feature on Debank allows users to visualize their portfolio performance over time, providing valuable insights into their investment strategies. These charts can be customized to display various metrics, such as asset value, portfolio composition, and transaction history. One of the key benefits of Debank Charts is its ability to track portfolio performance in real time, allowing users to make informed decisions about their investments. For example, a user can use Debank Charts to monitor the performance of their Ethereum investments, including any DeFi protocols they are participating in, such as lending or yield farming. To get the most out of Debank Charts, it's essential to connect all relevant wallets and accounts to the platform. This provides a complete and accurate picture of the user's portfolio, enabling them to make data-driven decisions. Additionally, users can set up custom dashboards and alerts to stay informed about market movements and changes in their portfolio. Best practices for using Debank Charts include regularly reviewing portfolio performance, diversifying investments, and staying up to date with market trends. By following these best practices and leveraging the features of Debank Charts, users can optimize their investment strategies and achieve their financial goals. In summary, Debank Charts is a powerful tool for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrency and DeFi portfolio performance. By understanding the key components and benefits of Debank Charts, users can make informed decisions about their investments and achieve greater financial success.